Success means something a little bit different to everybody. But there's one key factor that drives success, and I'd like to share a story that will highlight that. Once upon a time, a young man went to Socrates and said, "Wise one, what is the key to success?" Socrates said to the young man, "Well, follow me and I will show you." And he led him out into the water, and he kept leading him deeper and deeper until finally the water was almost up to the young man's nose. At that point, Socrates grabbed the young man and thrust him under the water and held him there. The young man struggled and struggled, and he started to turn blue. And finally, at the last moment, Socrates pulled the young man out of the water. And he said to him, "When you were under the water, what did you want most?" And the young man said, "Wise one, I wanted air. I wanted to breathe." And Socrates replied, "When you want your goals as badly as you wanted that air, you'll be successful." Because you see, it's that burning desire that drives success. Just as a small flame doesn't give much heat, we have to have a roaring fire of passion, vision, and drive inside of us. We all need a little help with this sometimes. So if you're ready to join a group of people who are committed to your success, who are ready to help fan your flames, come on down, try a free class. You can get it at the link right in the description.